everyone, welcome to our channel, MNN Life in the Philippines. Today po, mag-enjoy po kami ni partner mag-travel.
This looks clear.
Road trip po dito sa Gimbal.
We are now. We're still in the clouds.
San Joaquin po. Hanggang kung saan kami po makakarating.
That's Bantayan Resort. We're heading to Gimbal. Oh, so it's part of Gimbal. Look at the beautiful sun. Yeah, one of the most beautiful town in Iloilo, Gimbal.
So we are riding on our Suzuki Espresso. Mas gusto sana namin yung motorcycle namin, yung bistrom namin. Kaso lang, hindi pa namin alam kung ano yung mangyayari dun sa dulo ng aming road trip. Baka hindi kakayanin ni partner, kaya muna kami espresso muna. Then next time yung
in 300 meters, turn right onto Girona Street, Iloilo, Antique Road South.
Ang ganda ng mga gusali dito, and then yung maraming mga bilihan.
Continue on Iloilo,
commercial
Antique Road
lines po
South
dito
for
sa
54
lugar na to.
kilometers.
Riverside Park.
So what is this place? What is that say?
Hardware.
No, America is, or whatever it was.
Igbaras this way. This one is Miaga.
There are a lot of good houses here. And I think the town is rich. You can tell. Dami rin po mga restaurant, mga resorts po sa gilid. Kasi malapit po ito sa ocean.
I'm in no hurry to get to wherever we're going. You know what? You realize that, right?
Yeah. Wherever we
ganda ng daan at ang lapad. So, napaka hindi po siya sa description. Tsaka hindi po siya matraffic.
Dating Bakery.
Yeah.
Na-spot na naman ni PF ko yung store kasi ng JD page siya kasi favorite ko po.
So we are now in Miagao.
So that's school. Tsaka dito rin po yung University of Iloilo. Dito po sa Miagao campus. Maganda yung bridge. Dati po nung pumunta ako dito, ano po, sira po siya.
Yeah, we stopped by that 7-Eleven, remember?
Opo.
So beautiful.
Oh, maganda yung ano, nakikita ko na yung bundok. So aakit kami dyan mamaya pag may time. Dito po, prone po ito dito sa landslide. Kaya yung mga nagbabiyahe po dito is lagi na pag umuulan.
Okay, now we are in Antique. It says Anini Antique.
Kaya malapit na po kami sa Anini Antique. Pero syempre malayo pa yung babiyahin namin. Kasi yung mga signs kasi parang akala mo is malapit ka na. Pero actually malayo pa.
Cool.
In 200 meters, turn left toward San Joaquin, Anani Road, San Joaquin, Loigan, Anini Y Road.
What? Now I'm confused.
Kaya minsan nakakalito rin yung Google Map kasi malim yung mga pagpunasa ng mga
Yeah, this is
ng
Manila
mga
Antique.
lugar kaya ako-confused din ako.
We get to the beautiful mountain. Yeah, you have to be careful here. This side, yeah, it's dangerous.
I'm really glad na yung mga bridges na sira noon is ano na maganda na yung pagkagawa.
This beautiful river.
Continue for 41 kilometers.
Yeah, so we didn't get to see that.
just enjoying kasi meron akong
So
driver.
now we are in the wrong track.
Yeah, pero we're just enjoying our life. Kasi gusto niya talaga mag-travel.
They say we're on the wrong track.
Because this is not the main road. But never mind.
We're just having fun. We're exploring, baby. Turn. It's an adventure.
Namali kasi yung niya, ikot niya. Gusto niya kasi makita yung boat doon sa dagat. Kaya bumalik siya doon. Umiba yung niya, turn niya.
Welcome to Sport Beach Resort. Wow, see?
So beautiful. Balabago.
For now pala, hanggang dito lang muna yung video namin. Mainit na po yung phone ko. And I have to charge. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel and then
Yeah,
live in the
point.
Philippines. Please po.
I like the road
Salamat.
here. It's not